What's going on, guys? So today we're working on part 2 of my dream truck build. So I'm here in my 2020 F-150. Today I'm going to be showing you the new muffler and exhaust system that I had installed about a week ago, and I'll also be plasti dipping the remaining chrome bits on my truck as well as the Ford logo in the back. So looking for that chrome delete, as they say, and looking to black out all the other elements that aren't black as of right now. Give the truck a better look overall. Everything will match and it sounds a whole lot better. All right, so the first to go are these STX stickers. Not a huge fan. I don't like the red on this color scheme. Doesn't really match the rest of the truck. So honestly, I've read a lot of different strategies for taking the stickers off, and honestly this one's just coming off pretty well. So I'm gonna peel it off, clean underneath once I'm done. The Plasti Dip process is pretty simple, and it seems a little risky at first, but you'll see as I'll show you. The Plasti Dip comes off super easy. So first step is I'm going to be knocking out this badge first. I'm going to outline the badge with some painter's tape, put some plastic bags around it to protect from the overspray, and then I will get into what the Plasti Dip spraying process looks like. So the obvious first step when you're plasti dipping anything is to clean the surface you're going to be plasti dipping. So I'm gonna get on that right now. So the next step is applying a thin coat of spray. I'm gonna do a couple back and forths. Obviously, we're just using Plasti Dip here, edition. So I'm gonna do a couple back and forths, wait for about half an hour, then come back and do a second coat. All right, so time for a second coat of the Plasti Dip. I'm obviously going to go a lot thicker this time and really get some good sprays in there and hopefully get a pretty good thick coat on for the second go around. Alright, so we're all done with the plasti dipping process. I threw 4 coats on. I waited about a half hour between each coat. So now we're all ready to do some peeling and do a little bit of the intricate work to get everything taken care of. So here we go. Okay guys, so we finished the 4 coats of the Plasti Dip. So in the process of taking the tape off and peeling everything off. So I'm going to give you an up close look of what it looks like. All right, guys, so here is the finished Plasti-Dipped product. Was able to go in and take the Plasti-Dip out of the insides of the letters. Really like the finish and how clean it looks. I'll take you around back to the Ford logo as well. And this is how it turned out. So again, super clean. Just the magic of Plasti-Dip and the way that it broke around the edges is pretty awesome. So really like the way that it turned out, and I'll have more additions down the road. Here's the final F-150 badge with the STX. Again, was able to take the Plasti-Dip from the insides of the letters and turned out really well. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna show you the exhaust and the muffler system that I had installed a couple weeks ago. So I wanted something, obviously, that was pretty loud, but I didn't want to be incredibly obnoxious, and I don't like that knock that comes with diesel type exhausts. So I have Ford's 5-liter V8, their Coyote engine, and I went to just a local shop here in St. George, Utah, and got some different estimates, some different options when it came to exhaust and tailpipes and mufflers and whatnot. I went with, I asked him about taking the resonator out to add a little bit more of a punch and increase the volume a little bit. Have some buddies that had suggested that. So I went with Flowmaster's 44 series with a 3-inch, the 3-inch option. And I got a black tip installed to match the rest of the truck. And it has a pretty awesome punch. Asked him to do that resonator delete as well. So we took the resonator out. So I'll give you guys a little chance to hear it. Here we go.